You don't have to know how to change a transmission to be CarSmart. Here are a couple of easy maintenance jobs you can do yourself. Professional top fuel dragster driver TJ Zizzo is going to show you how to clean your wheels.
We're going to use a very simple process here. First, we're going to use soap and water to clean the major part of the wheel. From there, we are going to use Krud Kutter and allow that concentrate to soak into all the heavy-duty grime on your vehicle, like the brake dust, the road grime. We're going to let that sit, and then we're going to scrub it just a little bit with a scrub brush. I don't want to have to spend a half hour scrubbing on something. I want to be able to spray it and have that activation take place on the product in order to be able to make my job easier. We use it in the pit area to shine up our tools, to clean the wheels of the vehicle. We use it for many, many different things.
Finally, rinse the wheel using clean water and a terrycloth towel. Now you're ready to roll on to the next project. Replacing your vehicle's air filter is just as easy, and it keeps your engine running right.
That engine takes in air from the outside environment, and if that air is not flowing into the engine appropriately, you will starve your engine from air, which will cause your engine not to run as well as it should. Air filters are generally easily accessible. If you're not sure exactly where it is under the hood of your car, consult your manual. It's usually in a plastic air container, an air box as it's called, and there is a couple fasteners on the top of that. Take the fasteners off of the air box, and then you will see the filter in there, and put then the air filter in that container. Close up the air box and close the hood. When buying your replacement filter, it's very easy to know that it is the correct filter for your car. The VIN on your vehicle exposes what engine size you have on it. So if you go to your local auto parts store and present the VIN number to them, they will give you the exact air filter that you will need.